How to fix easy anti-cheat not opening on Rust. So the very first thing that you can do is you can go ahead and pull up the main folder directly from your Rust client from Steam, or you could actually do this manually. So the first step is go into your file manager, go into this PC, local disk C, program files. In here, hit R on your keyboard and open up the folder of Rust. Open up easy anti-cheat folder. And then from here, you should be able to see all the files that you have directly from Easy Anti-Cheat, specifically on Rust. But what you want to do from here is just to right-click, go to New, and create a new text document. Now just simply try to name it as Rust. Now open the text document that you just created, and what you want to name it is going to be Easy Anti-Cheat underscore EOS underscore setup dot exe. Now space install, and then just simply minimize this folder here. Now what you want to do next is to open up your Windows icon, type in run, type in percentage app data percentage, and then hit on OK. Then in here, pull up easy anti-cheat main folder, and then under service log, you should be able to see numbers under the started with install. Now all the numbers is going to be the same. Just simply copy this number here, and then go back to the folder or the txt that we just created earlier, which is going to be this one. Paste it here, and then choose on File, Save As. Now, just simply change the Save As type into all files and make sure that the encoding is UTF-8. Click on Save, and then just simply open that folder again. And that's it. That's basically how you can fix easy anti-cheat not opening or not working on Rust.